Hello, people. I'm shooting from yet another new location, and don't ask me why this wall is behind me that is so bright white. That basically I look so dark in comparison, but it's okay, I think. And the movie that we are going to review now today is this movie called Bajirao Mastani. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh are the current flavor of the season. I mean, considering Padmavat, the film recently released after so much of controversy. So Bajirao Mastani was like, I don't know, yeah, that whole thing of having, there's this child star who plays the role of Ranveer Singh's child. I mean Deepika Padukone's child, and for me, he stole the show. I mean, of course, Priyanka Chopra and uh, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh, but somewhere really even Priyanka Chopra's character stands out as this wronged wife, but who's gracious enough to welcome her husband's second wife, or so it's a bit complicated story, and it's historically accurate to a large extent. So my dark circles. So yeah, I would give the film a 4-star rating, and the music is also good. So okay, people, as of yesterday, I got a not so great comment on my That was one of the first, no, like second ever comment, but it's okay. Yeah, regardless of what people say, I'm happy doing what I'm doing, and I'm reviewing the book or the movie, right? If you want to review, just it's easy, yeah, on YouTube to put up your review. So it's my personal opinion of movies and also. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.